G'day guys, Liam Fitzpatrick here. I'm back out in the Yak. I don't normally fish the same place 2-3 times in a row. I love mixing it up, I get bored real quick. But I'm back where I fished the other day. I lost a big fish, so there's something about that you just want redemption. You're just like, oh, I'm going back, I'm having another crack. So I got the Yak all rigged up again. Just got a top water, a soft vibe, and a BP 50 rigged up. You know, I'll hit the edges, I'll chase brim. It's still like lunchtime. You know, if something pops up, I got top water or that vibe to throw at it. You know, as that sun starts to set, I might throw that stuff a bit more this time. Like, I know there's good fish in here. But yeah, just gonna do it. All rigged, ready to go. Yeah, this one, it is gonna be fun. I just love this sort of thing. Something about lakes, like, there's fish in here, you know they're in here. Like, a landlocked lake is awesome, you know, fish get in small, they grow big. Always been one to, you know, sort of get people to try and let stuff go that they catch in lakes. You know, they're just gonna grow big. What's the point of taking stuff out? You know, I've always sort of thought, like, a lot of these places too, like, heavy metal build up, you know, fish are stuck in the one place, drains and stuff wash crap in here. I wouldn't be eating anything out of here, and I wouldn't suggest others do, but yeah, I can see brim rolling and flashing on this shallow rock. Yeah, that'll do, let's go. Starting off with that BP 50, it's rigged on at 1/40th hidden weight. Just the olive prawn colour. That'll get them. Round into it. Saw it after I cast. That's where it pays to know the feel of what your lure's doing, what your line's coming over. Didn't bury that, got it back. I didn't have this colour last time I was in here. I went and picked up a few more. I love my natural greens. I found out that the mud prawn, the darker sort of brown colour, they discontinued. It's like, it was my favourite colour. That fish had that. Oh. I was paddling and that fish had that, and it wasn't until I went to pick up slack that I realised he was there. Oh dude, paddling again, and just went to move that and he had it. We'll get one. Go. Finally got the hooks in one. 92. Finally got one. Little fish, but hopefully that gets the ball rolling. Alright, monkey's off the back, let's go. There we go. He's on that edge. He wants to. Oh, he's tiny. Yeah, that little guy. Tiny little brim. Definitely want them bigger than that. I'm honestly starting to think that they don't like being around this snotweed. Find out when we get over the other side, but wasn't this much over here the other day. At least we smell like brim now. It's always a good thing. Oh, there's a fish. Eat it, buddy. Let's get a bit of S factor, hey? Spice it up a bit. I thought about bringing in a second rod for brim, throwing a little crank, little hard body, but it'll just pick up snot the whole way in. Oh, he had that. Come on, eat it. Eat it, it's covered in S factor, you know you want it. Really? Bloody sticks. Just as I got to a bit of water I like. Wow, straighten that one right out. Yeah, at least your knots are good, your leader's right when you can arc them out like that. They are only light gauge, but that's not what you want to do. Oh, he's already in something. He is straight in something. And he won't even be big, he just was heading for it by the time I put a hook in him. That's not what you want to do. That wind can die off now, it'd be good. Here we go, you got that, buddy? Here we go. Not a big fish. Another little fish. Doing it tough. They're not exactly going off, but I'll take it. Definitely want something big though. Come on, fishing for a big bite now. There's a fish. Still only a little fish, man. Come on, it's tiny. Oh, look at that. Putting all his, I was gonna say man love, but surely he's just a boy. All his boy juice on me. Look at that, the size of that brim. He's in a lake. It is like normally spawning season for brim, you know, they'll do it out in the estuaries, come in and But that guy has dropped a load of baby making juice all over me. The size of that thing. Oh, fish had it. I was looking out there. Look back in on it. Did that line move? He's got it again. Ah, little fish. What's that over there? A water dragon or a snake? I'd say snake by the look of it. Little green tree snake. Man, there's so much old timber down there, it's not funny. Get good fish, you're gonna have a fairly hard time keeping him out of that stuff. See how now you're up in this nice calm, out of the wind. Makes it worthwhile after struggling in that breeze earlier. All right, getting to where all the bigger encounters and bust ups and stuff happened the other day, so hopefully something happens soon. Eat it, buddy. Oh, come on. Good fish, man. Just ripped the bait off. Damn it. Kidding me, aren't ya? Come on, man. Just give me a real one. This guy's clunk. Oh, he had it again. It's a tiny fish playing with it. Come on, give me one. Give me one good one. Oh, I just pulled up to stretch my legs, man. I'm doing it tough out here today. So I was saying, like, you know, I came back with expectations. You know, I missed fish last time. It fished well. It's gonna fish well and I'm gonna get those fish this time, but it's just, expectations do not match reality. Heap of snotweed. It's just like, it's just everywhere. Like, the other day, I don't know, there must have been a bit of wind, it pushed it one way. I thought it had all been pushed down the other end, but there's just snot all over the place. Fish are tight-lipped, little guys. Like, it's coming in the last sort of hour and a half, 2 hours of sunlight, so yeah, hopefully, give me one good fish. I'm fishing for one good bite. Is what it is. Can't put the hooks in anything. Fish so hard for a bite, you get one and you just can't put the hooks in it. I said, to be fair, they're little fish, but got a moon above. It's not a bad thing. A couple of days out from the full by the looks of it. come on. You got it now, buddy? Oh, you had it. Eat it. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, he's a little bit better. He's not a big fish, he's wrapped up. He was tangled in the line. That hook just fell out. Finally got another one. Been a long time coming, but it's just tough. Well, at least I got the hooks in one. There's that cockatiel again. He looked like a pied, bit of yellow, bit of grey. Someone's pet that's got out or what? Again, I've seen nothing busting up out wide. There we go. Finally, another fish. Oh, he's trying to get in there. He's not big, but he's trying his hardest to get in there. Oh, there's a bigger fish with him. Coming down to the wire. Try and make something happen. Here we go. He's all right compared to some of the ones I got today. Didn't like that. It's not a bad brim, that one. It's probably best of the session. It's that BP 50, olive green, olive prawn, I think it's called. I'll take that. It's been tough. It's been a real grind, but yeah, can't complain. Beats being at work. Might be one more left in it. I'll take one more. Get it in there, son. in there for a second. Oh, no! Damn it, that fish was... Man. He was pulling drag, carrying on, brushed me through the sticks. Damn it. Oh, dude. Had that. I dead set thought I was on a rock. Oh, you had it again. Eat it, buddy. Oh, you're kidding, aren't you? Definitely had it. Last cast. Let's go. That'll do me. Wasn't too bad. Got a few fish. Wasn't exactly going off, but the more that moon rises, it's like a day before the full by the looks of it, so never been one of my favourite times to fish. Didn't really check that, I just had the time to go, so I went. I wouldn't be eating anything out of here, and I wouldn't suggest others do.